All right, there we go. I was very out of focus there. Today I'm going to be making a tuna and whole wheat macaroni, spiral macaroni salad. Now the first thing you do is get a pot going with some salt in it. Ouch. Once it starts boiling, you throw in your macaroni, and I have, let me get this, you can see this. Whole wheat rotini, and you add the whole bag, which is a pound. You boil it till it's al dente, and then run it under cold water in a strainer. What I am using today, besides the macaroni, is some dried parsley. Now it asks for fresh parsley, so I don't have fresh parsley. So what I do is I add my dry parsley, and I don't use very much because dry is stronger than fresh. But I add it to just a tiny bit of water to kind of get it to become freshish like, so it's not so dry in your salad. So I do that. There we go. You will also need, make sure you wash your hands before you do that, and after, apple cider vinegar. Let me see here. This is probably about 2 tablespoons of parsley. It will be, if you're using fresh, you'll use, let me think here, half a cup of that. The apple cider vinegar, we will be using, let me think, why can I not find what I need to find here? Okay, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of that. A can of tuna in water, not oil, but water. You can use mayonnaise, salad dressing, whatever you like there. We'll be using half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of Mayo. Half a cup plus 2 tablespoons. Also, I'm going to use the Greek plain yogurt, and I'm going to use the whole package, the whole, whatever you want to call this, I'm sorry, 5.3 ounce container. There we go. I'm going to use the whole container. I'm going to add in some sweet pepper strips, chopped up small, just a few of those. I have set out 3 green onions. I will chop all of them up, very small, very tiny. I'm going to grate 1 carrot. I will grate that fairly thin, and I will add that. Not to the boiling water. All this is separate. You can boil it if you wish to, but I'm not going to. And then a handful of grape tomatoes, which I will cut in half. And I believe that's it. So I will get this stuff whipped together and be right back. Pasta is done boiling. Going to run that in a strainer under cold water till it's chilled. Parsley is still doing its thing, and there's all the veggies I'll be adding. I have a large bowl that I will be putting everything in. Let's see. you will take your vegetables and the tuna, and you'll put it in a bowl, and then toss all the stuff together with the macaroni, the vegetables, and the tuna with the macaroni. And I will be doing that in just a second. Here, I'll be right back. There's the cooled macaroni rinsed off. I got all the vegetables and the parsley in there on the bottom. I'm going to stir this all together. Then in a separate bowl, you're going to mix up your let's see, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon cider vinegar. You're going to add a fourth of your little tub thing of the Greek yogurt. You'll add your little bit of yogurt, and then you will add your half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of your mayo or salad dressing, and then you will whisk that together. You'll whisk it together. So first mix up your vegetables, herbs, and macaroni. Then add your other stuff into a separate little bowl. Once you get it all mixed together, and you can season it with salt and pepper as you like, then you pour it over the pasta and you toss it till it's all really well coated, and then it's done. And sorry, I keep pointing downward. And then I will show you what the end result looks like. Before I mix in the mayo and that stuff, I wanted just to show you guys how beautiful that looks. All the colors and the textures, and it smells so delicious right now. On a side note, if you are not wanting to use mayo and that stuff, you could use vinegarette, whatever kind you like, into this, and it'll taste just as good. So just to let you know that. Wanted you to see how that looked before the mayo and stuff is added. I'll be right back. Whoops, and there you go. That is the finished product right there. And I hope you enjoy it. It tastes wonderful. It's easy and simple to make, quick, and good for picnics or late nights or snack time, whatever you want it for. It is delicious. And I hope you like, subscribe, comment, all that good jazz. And I'll talk to you little witches later.